Practice questions on animal kingdom. Metamerism is seen in devilfish, starfish, jellyfish, sawfish. Devilfish belong to phylum Mollusca. Starfish belong to phylum Echinodermata. Jellyfish belong to phylum Coelenterata. Sawfish belongs to class Chondrichthyes. So metamerism is a characteristic feature of which phylum? It is a characteristic feature of Annelida, Arthropoda, and Chordata. Therefore, the answer is sawfish. Which feature is common for coelentrates, ctenophores, and echinoderms? Levels of organization? No, not levels of organization, because coelentrate and ctenophore are tissue level. Echinoderm is organ level. Number of germ layers? No. Type of body cavity? No. Type of symmetry? Type of symmetry is the right answer, because coelenterata and ctenophora are radiata or radial symmetry, whereas in adult echinoderms also they exhibit radial symmetry. The common feature for this is type of symmetry. Choose the incorrect statement. Notochord is ectodermally derived. Is it ectodermally derived? No, it is mesodermally derived. Right? So notochord is formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development. Yes, of course it is correct. The animals of poriferans to echinoderms are without notochord. Yes, that's why they are called non-chordates. In some chordates, notochord is replaced by vertebral column, and these chordates are called vertebrates. Yes, it is also correct. Therefore, the incorrect one is the first option. So only one. Next, diagram based question. Mark the correct set of phyla which have the body organization represented in figure A and B respectively. So when you see here, you can find ectoderm and you can find endoderm, and in between that mesoglia, undifferentiated non-cellular structure is present called mesoglia. Therefore, it's a characteristic feature of diploblastic phyla. So let us see the A here, diploblastic phyla. So porifera is not a diploblastic. Ctenophora is a diploblastic. Platyhelminthes, right? It is not a diploblastic. Yes, platyhelminthes is also not a diploblastic. Cnidaria, yes, of course, it is a diploblastic. And coming to here, so a ectoderm, endoderm, and 3 germ layers are appeared. So it is triploblastic. So not Cnidaria, of course, platyhelminthes, right? Then Aschelminthes, Ctenophora. So here we can go with what here? Platyhelminthes. Of course, Aschelminthes is right, but here Platyhelminthes is there. Here Cnidaria and Ctenophora they gave. Therefore, the correct option is Ctenophora and Platyhelminthes. Second option. Which of the following is not the basis of classification? Color, level of organization, symmetry, and coelom. So level of organization we see for every phyla, right? Symmetry is seen for every phylum. Coelom also important. Therefore, color is not the basis of classification. The cells are arranged as loose cell aggregates in the members of. The cells are arranged as loose cell aggregates in the members of. In the members of Annelida, Nidaria, Porifera, Platyhelminthes. That is Annelida. That is Porifera. We know Annelida is organ system level, Nidaria tissue level, Platyhelminthes organ level. So loose cell aggregates are seen in phylum Porifera. Next question. Tissues are present, but organs are absent in the members of. So Porifera, cellular grade of organization. Cylindrata, tissues are seen in cylindrates. So it is going to be the correct option. And ASCII helminthes, right? ASCII helminthes having organ system, right? And Annelida is also having organ system. Therefore, the correct option is the second one. Identify the set of phyla that exhibit organ system level of organization. Yes, annelids, organ system. We know organ system seen for the first time in ASCII helminthes to chordata. So Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca is correct. Whereas in the second set, Nidaria is having tissue level of organization. So this option is wrong. Third one, Porifera, Arthropoda, mollusca. So Porifera is cellular grade. So this option is wrong. Ctenophora is wrong. Therefore, the correct option is what? Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca. A single opening serves as both mouth and anus in Ucheraria, Asterias, Nereis, Fasciola. Incomplete digestive system, that is Fasciola, belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes. The division of an animal body into some segments with a serial repetition of at least some organs is known as metagenesis, metamerism, metastasis, metamorphosis. So the metagenesis is a characteristic feature of Cylindrata or alternation of generation. Metamerism is a characteristic feature of Annelida, Arthropoda, and Chordata. Metastasis is the most feared property of cancer, which is being exhibited by malignant tumors. Metamorphosis, the immature larvae are present in the life cycle. Example, silk moth, butterfly, etc. Therefore, the correct option is second one. Which of the following exhibits highest level of organization? Ferritima, meandrina, spongilla, tenoplana. Ferritima, organ system. Meandrina, brain coral, tissue level. Spongilla, freshwater sponge, cellular grade. Tenoplana, that is Ctenophora, tissue grade of organization. Therefore, highest grade of organization is seen in Ferritima, earthworm, phylum Annelida. Read the following statement. Statement A, annelids and arthropods are bilaterally symmetrical. Yes, of course. Statement B, their body can be divided into identical left and right halves in two planes. Not in two planes. Bilateral symmetrical has only one principal axis. So, the statement A is correct and statement B is false. Therefore, which option? Second option. A is correct, B is incorrect. Select the group of animals which exhibit two different types of symmetry at different stages of life. Echinodermata. The young ones show bilateral symmetry. Adults show radial symmetry. Whereas Cnidaria exhibit radial symmetry. Platyhelminthes bilateral symmetry. Annelida bilateral symmetry. Therefore, the first one, Echinodermata, the young ones show bilateral symmetry and the adults show radial symmetry. Radial symmetrical coelomate animal are included in. See, Cnidaria, we know it's radial symmetrical, but it is not coelomate. Annelida, bilateral symmetry. So this is also not wrong, not correct answer. Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes exhibit bilateral symmetry. Moreover, it is pseudocoelomate. Echinodermata. Yes. Echinodermata. What's happening here? They are coelomate, but even the exhibit, the adult will show radial symmetry. So the correct option is 4. Select the correct set of triploblastic animals. Sea anemone, Adamsia is diploblastic. Sea fan, Gargonia. Sea pen, Pennatula. Right? Starfish, triploblastic. Devilfish, triploblastic. Jellyfish, Arulia, that is Cylindrata. So wrong option. Tapeworm, Tinea, Platyhelminthes. Hookworm, Ankylostoma, Aschelminthes. Earthworm, Annelida. So all the three are triploblastic phyla. Seahorse, Hippocampus, triploblastic. Sea hare, Aplysia, triploblastic. Sea walnut, it is Ctenophora, which is diploblastic. Pseudocoelom is present in all of the following except ringworm, hookworm, roundworm, filarial worm. So pseudocoelom is a characteristic feature of hookworm, roundworm, and filarial worm, right? Whereas ringworm do not have pseudocoelom. Most triploblastic animals exhibit asymmetry, no. Radial symmetry, no. Bilateral symmetry. Most of the triploblastic animals exhibit bilateral symmetry. The mesoderm is present as scattered pouches between ectoderm and endoderm. Between ectoderm and endoderm in coelomates, pseudocoelomates, schizocoelomates, enterocoelomates. So scattered mesodermal pouches is a characteristic feature of pseudocoelomates. Identify the correct option based on the given picture. See here, this is ectoderm and this is the endoderm, which are lined by mesodermal lining. Therefore, A is coelomate. A is coelomate. But here what is given? A is acoelomate. No, this is wrong option. Then you see here, scattered mesodermal pouches are seen. Therefore, B is pseudocoelomate. So here B is coelomate given. So wrong option. Then C is, we have 3 layers are there. I mean ectoderm and endoderm. In between that it is filled with cells which are derived from mesoderm. Therefore it is acoelomate. C is given as pseudocoelomate. No. Therefore the correct option is A, which is coelomate. A is coelomate. Which of the following includes diploblastic animals? Cylindrata, yes, diploblastic. Platyhelminthes, triploblastic. Annelida, triploblastic. ASCII helminth is triploblastic. Therefore, cylindrates are the diploblastic. An undifferentiated layer present between ectoderm and endoderm in diploblastic organisms is mesomer, mesoglia, mesoderm, mesohyle. That is mesoglia. Which of the following organisms can be cut into two equal halves in only one plane? That is bilateral symmetry. So Hydra cylindrata. So radial symmetry. Crab, phylum Arthropoda. So it exhibits what? Bilateral symmetry. Crab exhibits bilateral symmetry. Sponge, mostly asymmetrical. Jellyfish, radial symmetry. Therefore, two equal halves in only one plane is a characteristic feature of bilateral symmetry from Platyhelminthes to Chordata. Therefore, crab belongs to phylum Arthropoda. Mark the correct statement with regard to the open circulation. Heart does not pump the blood. Mark the correct statement with regard to open circulation. Cells and tissues are directly bathed in blood. Yes, cells and tissues are directly bathed in the blood. Blood capillaries are well developed. No, they're poorly developed. Blood capillaries are absent and blood is without cells and plasma. No, blood are with cells and plasma. Right? So the correct option is cells and tissues are directly bathed in the blood. Each of these organisms possess organ system. Organ system first time seen in ASCII helminthes that are dedicated to specific physiological functions except. So in echinoderms, we see organ system grade of organization. Hemichordates, we see. Cnidarians, no. In cnidarians, tissue grade of organization is seen. Chordates, organ system grade of organization. Next. Open type of circulation or open circulatory system is present in the members of Annelida. No, Annelida has closed type of circulation. Arthropoda. Arthropoda has open type of circulation. Fishes, no, they have closed. Amphibians too have closed type of blood circulation. Tissues are grouped together to form organs in. Directly is asking organ system grade of organization is seen in. Sponges, no, they show cellular grade of organization. Cnidarians, tissue. Ctenophora, tissue. Therefore, platyhelminthes show organ grade of organization, that is flatworms. Arrange the level of organization in correct sequence with increasing complexity, right? Organ system, not organ system, it begins with cells. Not organ, it must begin with cells. So first, cellular, tissue, organ system. Cells combine to form tissues, tissues combine to form organs, organs combine to form organ system. Therefore, the third option is the correct one. Metamerically segmented animals are included under Arthropoda. Yes, Arthropoda is a metamerically, but mollusca is unsegmented phyla. Porifera and Chordata. Porifera is not segmented, but Chordata is segmented. Annelida and Arthropoda. Yes, Annelida and Arthropoda both are metamerically segmented. Platyhelminthes and ASCII helminthes. So, metamerically segmentation is seen in Annelida, Arthropoda. Metamerism is seen in Annelida, Arthropoda, and even in Chordata. In sponges, division of labor occurs among the tissues, cells, organs, organ systems. So, cells. All the following are diploblastic except Physalia, Portuguese man of war, phylum Coelenterata, yes, diploblastic. Adamsia, sea anemone, Nidaria. Pleurobrachia, Ctenophora, diploblastic. Fasciola, liver fluke, triploblastic, phylum Platyhelminthes. Which of the following set of animals are acylomates without the development of mesoderm? Cycon, Taenia, Ascaris, Ucheraria, Physalia, Tenoplana, Fasciola, Ankylostoma. So here acylomate should be there and without mesoderm. We know that Taenia is acylomate, but it is triploblastic, right? And these are not acylomates. These are pseudocylomates. Physalia and Tenoplana. Yes, these are acylomates. They don't have any kind of mesoderm. Identify the groups with tissue grade of organization. Porifera is cellular. Yes. Nidaria is tissue. Okay. Nidaria and Ctenophora both are tissue grade of organization. Both are with tissue grade of organization. Ctenophora and Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes is organ grade of organization. Platyhelminthes and Aschelminthes, it is organ grade of organization. Aschelminthes organ system grade of organization. Which of the following are mostly asymmetrical? Mostly means sponges. Sponges are mostly asymmetrical phyla, and moreover, sponges exhibit more than one type of symmetry. Bilaterally symmetrical and coelomate animals are exemplified by, yes, Annelida, you know that it's bilateral symmetry. Of course, it is coelomate. Aschelminthes is bilateral, but it is not coelomate. It is pseudocoelomate. Ctenophora, diploblastic, and it is acoelomate. Platyhelminthes, bilateral, but it is acoelomate. Therefore, Annelida is the correct option. Read the following statements and choose the correct options. In pseudocoelomates, body cavity is not lined by mesoderm, and mesoderm is present as scattered pouches in between ectoderm and endoderm. Yes, of course, it is correct. In arthropoda, body can be divided into identical left and right halves in only mid-sagittal plane. Yes, it is also correct. Therefore, both A and B are correct. Which of the following are bilaterally symmetrical? Adult echinoderms, no. Adult echinoderms show what beta? Radial symmetry. Adult ctenophores, radial symmetry. Larva of echinoderms, bilateral symmetry. Larva of echinoderms, bilateral symmetry. Larva of cnidarians, radial symmetry. Therefore, the correct option is larva of echinoderms. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Fasciola is a triploblastic. Yes, fasciola is commonly called liver fluke. Belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes. Yes. Radial symmetry is found in asterias, starfish. Yes. What is the question? Select the incorrect statement. So radial symmetry is found in asteriasis. Yes, it is also correct. Mesoglia is present in Physalia. Yes, because diploblastic, we can even see, right? So first one is correct. Second one is right. Third one is right. Taenia is pseudocoelomate animal. Taenia is not pseudocoelomate, right? It is acoelomate. Therefore, the incorrect among the four statements is the fourth one. In coelomates, the body cavity is present in between epidermis and dermis, body wall and muscles of the body wall and gut, and dermis and muscles of the body wall. That is body wall and gut. During course of evolution, metamerism first appeared in the members of the phylum Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda. Annelida. Metameric or metamerism seen in among which phylums? Annelida, Arthropoda, Chordata. But here the question is first appeared in. That is Annelida. Which of the following phylum is neither diploblastic nor triploblastic? Ctenophora, it is diploblastic. Platyhelminthes, triploblastic. Arthropoda, triploblastic. Porifera, neither diploblastic nor triploblastic. Diploblastic organisms lack ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, mesoglia. That is mesoderm. Notochord is derived from ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, both ectoderm and endoderm. It is derived from mesoderm. Which of the following is correct about notochord? It is ventrally located. No, it is located dorsally. It is ectodermal in origin. No, it is mesodermal in origin. It is formed in the embryonic stage of all chordates. Yes. It is located dorsal to the nerve cord. No, it is located ventral to the nerve cord. So the correct option is it is formed in the embryonic stages of all chordates. Among the following, the lowest level of organization is found in Pheretima, organ system, Pennatula, sepen, that is tissue grade of organization, Periplaneta, organ system, Petromyzon, right? It is also organ system. Clear? Petromyzon lamprey. So cyclostomata. Pennatula, sepen, that is tissue grade of organization. Remaining all have organ system grade of organization. Bilateral symmetry is exhibited by adults. Cnidarian show radial symmetry. Ctenophora, radial symmetry. Echinoderms, bilateral symmetry is exhibited by adults. So that is what? Echinoderms. When any plane passing through the central axis of the body divides the organism into two identical halves, the organism is said to be radial symmetrical phyla. Which of the following statements are regarding coelom of given animal is correct? Roundworms, pseudocoelom. Roundworm means ascaris. Yes, correct. Mollusks are acoelomates. No, they are coelomates. Insects are arthropoda. They are coelomates. Flatworms are acoelomates. Flatworms means platyhelminthes. So 97-1. Match the following, right? So here, what are the options here? Pseudocoelomate. It's a characteristic feature of Aschelminthes. So Hydra, Tinoplana, Ascaris. So the first one is 3. Diploblastic. Diploblastic. Here diploblastic is what? Hydra, Adamsia. Sea anemone. Cellular level. Cycon spongilla. Radial symmetry, Tinoplana aurelia. Metamerism, Pheretima and Nereis. Therefore, the correct options are the second one. Second one is the correct. Complete digestive system is seen in. Complete digestive system means it should have two openings. One acts as a mouth, the other acts as the anus. So not coelentrates, flatworms no, ctenophorans no, annelida. Annelida has complete digestive system. In the course of evolution, the true coelom appeared first in roundworms, annelids, arthropods, echinoderms. Roundworms, you know that it is pseudocoelom. Annelid, arthropod, echinoderm, it is true coelom. But the first time is seen in Annelida. First time is seen in Annelida.